Hello and welcome. I'm Prem Tarneja with another week of Tamasha. Any travel plans this festive season? I have a few options for you. You can go rural and do the Congress austerity package with some Garibi safari tourism. Or you could take the Commonwealth Games surprise package, which means drive around Delhi with roads cleared just for you. And then, of course, there's an Air India package. More on that later. First, here's the Tamasha we are traveling with today. The special Air India flight safety drill. Tamasha style, of course. The Karwa Chauth drill special with Sushma Swaraj. And reality show madness with Amitabh Bachchan. Now tell me, where else could you find such a celebrity-packed offering like that? I tell you, it's going to be one hell of a show. The austerity drive is still on. Well, kind of. It appears politicians are booking themselves into economy class and they aren't complaining about it. But that's only because they are insisting on business class upgrades. I wish we could do that with our netas, vote for a regular cheapskate, and then try for an upgrade midway through the term. Ha! How nice that would be, eh? Meanwhile, Planning Commission babus are being encouraged to go to villages to see if their schemes are actually working. I think India has scope for a new kind of tourism, and that has no business class option. Watch.
I say all Congresswalas go spend a night in a Dalit home.
It is an experience you will never forget.
Making India unforgettable. A night in a Dalit home now.
Arey Madam and Rahul Baba say it will be done.
So it will be done.
Dalit tourism with Congress party. Come and come all for a cultural and traditional experience. Taking bookings now.
Many facilities to make life more comfortable for you during your picnic. If there is no electricity in the Dalit home you picked for the picnic, you can get your own generator.
If you don't like the Ruka Suka Chichi Yaki Poo food, you may bring your own packed tiffin with biryani, like Azharuddin of Congress Dalit Tourism.
Dalit tourism brought to you by the Congress Party. Incredible India.
Dalit tourism at its best. है ना madam? Rahul Baba, you are pleased with us, na?
What a bunch of numbskulls.
Mummy, now they keep saying we are bigger than the party. With a party of such dimwits, we can't change that, even if we try. Oh, Mummy!
If the Aam Aadmi village tourism doesn't suit you, might we suggest some adventure tourism? Adrenaline-pumping action, fisticuffs, confrontation, and plenty of edge-of-your-seat nail-biting moments. And I'm just talking about the flight. You see, the destination doesn't really matter when you fly Air India.
Tuba.com